flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah.
Welcome back everyone. I'm Abhishree and today I'm here with the Pycon, which is the Python conference. Now, Python conference is the largest annual convention wherein people come together and celebrate the Python programming language. Now, even though it originated in the United States, but now it's held in more than 40 countries across the globe. Pycon is one of the first conferences that has a proper code of conduct which promotes inclusivity and collaborative environment, which is welcoming as well as respectful through its tutorials, the demonstrations, and the training sessions all towards the Python language. Now, this program or this conference is organized by the Python Software Foundation, which is supported by many significant companies including Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Now, I'm sure everyone is super excited to know that when Pycon will be organized in India and what exactly takes place at this amazing conference. So, to sort you out with your first doubt, Pycon India will be taking place from 17th of September to 20th September 2021. Now, unfortunately, this year it will be taking place online because of the COVID pandemic, but not to worry, there's still a lot to celebrate. Talking about what exactly takes place at a Pycon, basically what happens is all of the Python lovers and users across the globe come together. They talk about their experience and knowledge and how they've implemented this programming language and what all they've accomplished. The main event or the main aim towards organizing this is to promote the use of Python programming language and to foster the adoption of it. Now, this mega event consists of loads of different components, and we'll be talking about them a little in depth to give you an idea of what exactly takes place. The first thing is the conference days. For this year, September 18th and 19th will be the conference days. On these days, people will come together, they'll be listening to talks, attending talks, presenting ideas, they'll be discussing experiences with each other. And all in all, these days are great days if you want to connect and network with each other. It will also consist of BoFs and poster sessions. Apart from the usual conference days, there are also workshop days and dev sprints. Now, workshop day for this year will be taking place on September 17th, 2021. What happens is that it gives you an hands-on experience to give you a taste of what exactly implementing Python would look like and what feels it would give you. Now, this takes place under the guidance of experts, and there are different resources which you may not even have heard about, and also different topics which are definitely exciting and must be checked out. Moving on to the dev sprints. Now, for this year, the dev sprint, which is the developer sprints, will organize on September 20th. Now, what happens is that people can contribute to open source projects, which is amazing, which will be taking place under the guidance of mentors, which have so much of experience spanning over years and years. And you can contribute to their projects and you can get a hands-on experience on open source. Now, this is a very, very good experience for people who are looking on how they can start contributing using Python. And the best part is that there'll be mentors there to help you out. So another thing to look forward to. Apart from the pre-planned sessions having already pre-planned topics to discuss on, there are also BoFs and poster sessions. Now, BoFs, which is the birds of a feather sessions, are basically informal gatherings to promote networking and to get to know fellow Python lovers and like-minded people to come together and discuss on a specific topic which may not have been included in the agenda. Now, these are informal and very relaxed panel discussions wherein, there's active participation from the audience side, so you can get your basic to basic doubts cleared from experts handling it. If you are a Python enthusiast and if you have an idea or an experience you want to share with the world, don't worry, Pycon India 2021 has got you covered. Now, with this year being online, they've also included a preview video section in their proposal submission workflow. What you have to do is record yourself explaining your proposal, your topics that you intend to deliver to the audience, and how exactly are you planning on the execution. The reviewers will then go through your video and make a decision on your top proposal. So do get started on your video submissions right away. Hope this video cleared your basic doubts on Pycon India 2021. If you have any more doubts, do comment down below and the team will get back to them and sort them out ASAP. Thank you.